Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the new chapter of the mathematics, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, trigon means the triangle and metry means the measurements. It is a study of the relation between the sides and the angle of the triangle. So in the trigonometry, right angle triangle is used, and we can find the relation between the sides and angles of the triangle. As we see, the ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and inclined angle theta. So we have to find the relation between the sides and angle of the right angle triangle. So that's why the trigonometry is used. Okay, so the next concept is application of the trigonometry. Application means, what is my application? It is the uses of the trigonometry. First is, astronomer used to find out the distance of the stars and planets from the earth. We can measure the distance between earth and stars or planet. Second is, in the engineering and physical science, the trigonometry is used. So there are wide application of the trigonometry, so you should be considered or concerned with all this trigonometric application. These are the application of the trigonometry. Next we will discuss the trigonometric ratio of the angle. First, suppose this is ABC right angle triangle. AC is a hypotenuse, AB is a side adjacent to angle A, and BC is a side opposite to angle A. The adjacent means it is nearer to angle A. Okay, so we will discuss the trigonometry ratio. First is sine of angle A. The short form of the sine is we can write as SIN, the sine of angle A. It is a ratio of side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. See figure, sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So we'll get BC upon AC. Second is cosine of angle A. It is a side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. See the side adjacent to angle A, that is AB, and hypotenuse AC. So we will get a ratio that is AB upon AC. Third is tangent of angle A. The side opposite to angle A upon side adjacent to angle A. That is, see, tangent opposite BC upon adjacent, that is AB. So we get ratio tangent as BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Cosecant is, cosecant of angle A is 1 upon sine of angle A. Secant is 1 upon cosine of angle A. Cotangent is 1 upon tangent of A. So we can remember this formula. Suppose cosecant is, it is started with C. It is yes, sine, and second is start with yes, that is it start with C. So we can remember this formula easily. And cotangent, and it is a reciprocal of tangent. Cotangent, and it is a reciprocal of tangent. So we will solve some problem regarding this trigonometric ratio. Suppose given tan A is 4/3. So find cos A and sin A. First, draw the right angle triangle considering ABC and tan A. Tan A means opposite upon adjacent of angle A. So we will write 4K upon 3K. Okay, did you understand? If you draw this figure, then only it is easy to solve this sum. Okay, understood? Okay, good. So we know that tan A is equal to BC upon AB, 4/3. Let BC is 4K, AB is equal to 3K. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 3K square is plus 4K square, that is 9K square plus 16K square. 16 plus 9, 25 square, and we will get AC is 5K. So we get AC as 5. So as we know the formula sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite of angle A, that is 4K upon hypotenuse, that is 5K. So we will get answer 4/5. And second is cos A, that is adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse, 3k upon 5k, that is 3 by 5. So all of you understood this concept? Any doubt? Okay, thank you.